Cocaine.
Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today's video is a video that talk about episode 2 in Python language tutorial. And in this tutorial, we will go into learn about Python keyword and identifier. And in this tutorial, you will learn about the keyword, you can say reserved word in Python, and identifier in Python. Okay, let's move on. And the first thing we need to know is Python keyword. Yeah, what is Python keyword? Python keyword are a reserved word in Python, and we cannot use it for a keyword. We cannot use it for a variable name or function name or any other identifier, and they used to define a syntax or a structure of Python language. And in Python language, the keyword are case sensitive. Just take note, it's case sensitive. And there are 33 keywords in Python version 3.7. So this number can be very slightly over the course of this time. So keep note. And all the keywords except true, for, and none, right, are lowercase, and they must be written as they are. And here is the list of the keyword in Python language, so you can take note it, because you cannot use it to make a variable name or function or any identifier. So okay, I hope you understand. We can looking at all the keyword at once and trying to figure out what they mean, and might be overwhelming. So if you want to have an overview, you can check out the link of list or keyword with example in video description. Okay, I hope you understand. And another thing we want to talk about Python identifier. What is that? Python identifier is an identifier that we can say it is a name that we give to entity like class, like function, like variable, etc. So it helps to differentiate one entity from the other entity. So the rule for write identifier in Python language, let me example. Okay, the first rule is identifier can be a combination of letter in lowercase or uppercase, or digit or underscore, like this. Let's say books, you can say book like this, go like this, and we can say books like this, for example. And we can say book like this as well. Yeah, so we can run it without any error, because we can write it like this in Python. It's very similar and very simple. We can say 9 equal to string like this. It is our way that we can create a variable identifier. We can say identifier. So identifier cannot start with a digit. What does mean? Cannot start with a digit. We can say 9 book equal to. We cannot write like this. It will error when we run it. Yeah, as you can see, it will show the syntax error, invalid syntax. You can see the line number here that invalid syntax. So it is, you can check right here as well. So we cannot use a digit before the tag to create identifier. Just note it. Okay, we can delete it. And another thing, we cannot use a keyword. We cannot use keyword as an identifier. For example, we can say global. Global is a keyword, so we cannot use it for identifier name. When we run it, you will see the error syntax. Yeah, here we go. As you can see the error syntax right here, because this is a keyword. But we can add another character to make it different from the keyword. As you can see, it's not highlighted, and you run it. Just wait a little bit, and I need to clear, and I run it, and you will see there's no error anymore. Okay. And another thing, we cannot use special symbol like this. We cannot use symbol like this to create identifier. Yeah, as you can see, it will error, throw error, because Python does not allow you to input a special character in front of it, like this, this. We cannot use it. Just keep in mind. So it makes it simple. So the last thing is identifier. You can be of any line. That means you can put many characters as identifier. Okay, like this. We go like this. That still work. Just create and run it. Yeah, there we go. It's not error. You can put it. You can put any sentence. Yeah. Just remove the space. Okay, the last thing you need to remember, Python is a case-sensitive language. This means variable right here, for example. That means you can say v equal to 1 and v equal to 1, and not the same. This is another variable, and this is another one variable. Okay, I hope you understand. And always give a identifier a name that makes sense. That means you need to put identifier like this, book. You should not just be equal to like this. It's not make sense. You don't understand when you come back to check your code later, right? Okay, I think you understand about it. And one thing that I recommend you if you want to create identifier with long name. For example, while use of box like this, you can use underscore to separate the word, so it make you easy to understand. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. In the next episode, we will talk about statement and comment in Python language. So I hope you like it, and don't forget like, subscribe and share if you think this is helpful to other viewer. And thank you again for watching and see you in the next video. And if you have a question, you can comment below. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in